We thank the friendly country of China for this medical assistance and the Chinese medical team, which visited a number of medical sites in Sudan. We hope the China-Sudan ties would continue, and we hope to continue working with the People's Republic of China in its work to support Sudan in its development in the fields of health, education, agriculture, and others. China helps Egypt and the world in fighting against COVID-19 by sending a lot of medical aid, and this represents China's important global role and its unique position as a great country in today's world. The COVID-19 has cast a shadow over the world economy and on trade between Lebanon and China. I hope Lebanon-China business ties can be strengthened in the post-pandemic era. China now is capable of producing antivirus supplies in a large scale, which is what the Lebanese people need right now. So I see it as an opportunity to cooperate with the Chinese businesses in medical supply sector in the upcoming period.